Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy DocuSign detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your DocuSign account. Once logged in, navigate to the Admin tab on the dashboard. In the Admin section, select Integrations from the menu. Click on API and Keys to access the API integration page. Here, you can create a new integration key. Select Add Integration Key and fill in the required fields. Choose a descriptive name for your integration key. Make sure to select the appropriate settings for your needs. After filling out the form, click Save. Once saved, copy the integration key for later use. Next, configure your application settings for API calls. Determine the user settings and roles in DocuSign. Go to the Users tab and create or modify users as necessary. Set permissions for those users based on your deployment needs. Now, navigate to the Web PowerForms section if you're using any. Create a PowerForm if you want to utilize DocuSign's web interface. Follow the prompts to build your PowerForm according to your specifications. Once your PowerForm is ready, you can publish it. Next, set up your envelopes to send documents for signing. Choose templates if you have predefined templates you wish to use. Select the Create Template option and configure your template accordingly. Define the recipients and the workflow for the template. Include any necessary fields for signing. After creating the template, save your changes. To send a document, go to the Send an Envelope section. Upload the document you wish to send for signatures. Select the recipients and assign roles based on your earlier setup. Customize the message that accompanies the document if desired. Confirm the settings and click Send to dispatch the envelope. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.